Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. You can also visit us online at islandford.ca for more information. Today we're looking at a 2015 Subaru Forester in white with black cloth interior, seating for 4 doors and a hatch. It has a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and it's an all-wheel drive. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can actually book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with power lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and you have your traction control located here. The steering wheel on its face has media control with volume, hands-free dialing, as well as setting for your cruise control and dash controls. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, and I'll also point out that you have paddle shifters. There's one there, and there's one on the other side there. So on the face of your dash, you have your odometer reading as well as trip A, and then you can toggle through for, I'm toggling in the center screen here for the different options and the devices, and letting you know important messages. And you also have your hazard lights. This is also where you're going to see in the center here, when I put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to get your backup camera view. And I'll just put that back. Also, you have your volume and tuner for your media, which is AM, FM. As well, you have Bluetooth, and there's your CD player. And so then you have your different controls for your volume and tuner and so forth. You also have front and rear defrost. There's the fan, AC, and you're seeing a 12 volt there in the cubby. You also have heated seats for driver and passenger, and you have X mode for the vehicle if you're going over rough terrain, an automatic shifter. Your emergency parking brake's right beside the driver, and you have a couple of cup holders. The armrest opens up, and inside there's a little bin. You can take that out, and you also have your USB auxiliary line. That's that little hole there, and 12 volt is off to the left hand side, as well as storage down below. Off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above is a manually dimming rear view mirror. There's your sunglass holder, and you also have your lighting controls. In the body there's a grab handle, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle and side view mirror. In the back you have your windshield wiper and your backup cameras to the left of the Subaru badge. As well, when you want to open up that hatch, you just press on the fob, it chimes for you, and it releases it. And then you just lift up very easily here. Inside there's an all-weather mat, and I've got the tonneau cover on the floor there, so you can put that in as an option. You're also seeing the cage, so if you have an animal you can put them in the back, and there's still a little bin there they can stick their head through if they wish. And when you're ready, you can just bring everything down simply by putting your hand to the right, and now it's securely closed. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker and power windows in the door. There's seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. And you also have an armrest right in the center here that you can just bring down, and it has a couple of cup holders. And then when you want to bring the seat down, simply pull the pin, it'll bring it right down, and you now have access to the back cargo area. You're seeing the all-weather mat, that tonneau cover. There's the cage. As well, you have anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats. And then just simply flip the seat back up in the upright position. You have carpeted mats on the floor and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. Up above, there's handles. Passenger side fuel cap, privacy glass in the back windows, roof rails, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.